Canva Bulk Create tutorial, how to create bulk in Canva. In this video, we're going to be talking about Canva and how you can create different types of designs in bulk for yourself in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, Canva, as we all know, is one of the most top-rated design softwares out there, and it's totally free. And, when you're working on it, in some occasions, you might have to work on multiple projects at one time. So how can you create a bulk design in the easiest and quickest way? Let me show you. So let's say I am to go on some type of template, right? So we're going to go over here and we're going to write Instagram post. Once we go to Instagram post, I'm going to search up templates for Instagram post. Now, once we're over here, we're going to choose any template that we think looks cool. So let's say I'm going to go with this template right over here, right? So I'm going to click on customize this template. So it's going to open the template up. Now, once the template opens up, what you're going to want to do over here is you are going to go ahead to the apps section on the left hand side, okay? Because Canva's editor actually gives you tons and tons of integrations to work with. And the best part about the integrations is that each one of them has different features and a good markup with Canva's features. So we're going to go to apps, and once we go to apps, the apps that we're going to want to use is called Bulk Create. So it should generally be down here. So you're going to click on it. And once we click on Bulk Create, we're simply going to wait for it to load up. And once the Bulk Create app properly loads in, here it says Bulk Create hundreds of designs from a single template free for 30 days. So you can try it totally free for 30 days for yourself, and you can start a trial. It's pretty simple and basic to work with this. And the best part about Bulk Create is that it actually lets you enter your data manually. Okay, so as you can see over here, all these people, to add multiple amounts of data or to add multiple amounts of bulks, we're going to need to create a CSV. So let me show you what a CSV looks like and how you're going to want to make sure it looks, all right? Because when you use Bulk Create, it's going to give you enter data manually or upload CSV. So let me show you how the CSV should be. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Microsoft Excel, all right? Now, once we open up Microsoft Excel over here, we're going to click on blank workbook. And over here, what you're going to do is you're going to create categories. So first of all, I'm going to create the category of, let's say, name. Okay. And then we're going to create a category for, let's say, age. Okay. So these are the two categories we need. So I'm going to go ahead and bolden this out. So I'm going to go ahead and make it bold. I'm going to do the same with this. Now, once this is done, you're going to start adding your name. So let's say John. I'm going to come down here, Dan. I'm going to come down here, Kevin and Henry, for example. So once this is done, then you're going to add the ages. All right. So let's say 43, 23. Let's say, let's go with 65. And let's go with 57 or 56. Okay. So this basically creates a CSV file. Okay, and to import it or export it in a CSV, what you're going to do is you're going to click on export, and you are going to click on change file type, and right over here it's going to give you the CSV file, which is basically a comma separated value file. And the importance of a comma separated value file is not known. Like, it will help you so much when it comes to bulk import, not only on Canva but other platforms as well, where you want to import your data in bulk. All right, so once you create something like this, you're going to import it, and let me show you more examples on how things should look like. So let's say I'm going to open the CSV up for myself, and look at that. So this is a whole contact CSV. And as you can see, we have a lot of categories over here. We have a lot of names. And then under those categories, we have, like, let's say the actual contact numbers that I have. And another good example would be this one. So email, first name, phone, creation, gender. We have email, first name, phone number, creation, which is basically date of birth, and gender. So this is how you're going to want to line up your bulk CSV. So once you've created all these things, you're going to simply add it over here. And once you add it over here, it basically adds everything in a bulk. And you can choose to portray it in rows, or you can choose to portray it in columns. It all depends on you. And the best part is that when you apply data, it's going to appear just like this, and you can generate different pages about this data just like that. which is pretty incredible, right? So basically any design you choose, you're simply going to add your data over it and it's going to create different amounts of pages out of it, which is pretty incredible. And you can keep on adding more pages for yourself. But obviously to access Canva Bulk Create for yourself, you are going to want to make sure to have Canva Pro or at least the Teams plan, because on the free plan, Bulk Create is not available. So if you go to compare pricing, let me show you what the Pro and Teams plan is all about. So first of all, obviously the free plan, which is the best deal you can get, a free software design, and you can simply use it on the free plan. Then you have the Canva Pro plan, which is the plan you need to get Bulk Create. But along with Bulk Create, you also get a lot of other features only for a hefty $6.50 a month, which is pretty cheap in my opinion. Then you have Canva Teams, which is basically Canva Pro, but for more than one people. Okay, so per person it's $5, so you actually get a pretty decent discount on it already. And then you have Canva Enterprise, where you can talk with the people at Canva and actually get a good plan for yourself. So basically, this is the main idea of Canva Bulk Create, and you can obviously use Bulk Create in different ways. And as I stated, there's two ways to add the data, either add it manually or add a CSV for yourself, okay? And this basically helps you tons when working with Canva in the most simplest amount of regimen. So yeah, this is the main idea of Canva and how you can use its bulk create features in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below. And if you have any confusion in any aspect of the video, do let me know and I shall fix it up for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.